Have you ever tasted tasty, delicious macaroni before? Have you ever cooked tasty macaroni before? Come closer, let's make it together. So here I added my oil and my onions. So after that, then I poured in my pepper meat, some bell pepper, some tomatoes, ginger, and pepper. Then I start to mix together. I'm just stirring to make sure that all the spices enters inside this macaroni I'm about to cook. Then I added my mixed spicy. Then after that, I added some curry. Then after adding the curry, then here I added some paprika. Then after adding the paprika, then after that, after adding my paprika, then I added my nut cube. So in here, I'm just adding my nut cube. Then after that, I added my salt. So here I'm adding salt. Then after adding the salt, then here after adding the salt, here I stay to mix everything together to make sure that all the spices enters very well. When I say very well, into the macaroni we're about to cook. Then after that, I cover to cook. Then here my spicy is still boiling. Then I start to mix. So here I'm adding my macaroni. This macaroni is already been parboiled. Make sure that the macaroni is soft when you're parboiling it. Then I start to mix with my sauce. Then after that, I'm still stirring to make sure that the spices in the sauce enters very well inside the macaroni. Our macaroni is almost ready. So here I added my basil leaf, that is my curry leaf. Then I start to mix together to make sure that it's mixed together. So here our macaroni is ready and it's ready to eat. It's ready to serve. So this is me serving the macaroni with some salad. So that is it, my lovers. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.
Me, I want to know that woman with your love past you. Tell me, I want to know that woman with your love past you. Lady way fresh, I swear you fine.